He had nothing, no home, no food, no help, but today he's a millionaire. This is not just a story about money, it's a story about mindset, grit, and refusing to give up. Stay with me, because this journey might just change your life. Meet David. 10 years ago, he had a job, an apartment, and dreams, just like anyone else. Then everything fell apart. His mother passed away. He lost his job. Bills piled up. Rent went unpaid, and in a matter of months, he was homeless. He slept under bridges, in parks, on cold concrete floors. He begged for food just to survive. And every night, he asked himself, how did I end up here? But here's what makes David different. One day, he made a decision. Not a wish, not a dream, a decision. He said, if no one's coming to save me, I'll save myself. That night, he walked into a public library, dirty, hungry, exhausted, and picked up the first book he saw about personal growth, then another and another. He read about success, mindset, money, and discipline. He took notes with a broken pencil. He studied for hours every day. He stopped asking, why me, and started asking, what now? David got a job washing dishes, minimum wage, long hours, no excuses. He saved every penny, slept in shelters, used free Wi-Fi to learn digital skills, graphic design, copywriting, freelancing. He offered services online. At first, $5 gigs, then 20, then 100. Every dollar went back into learning. Better tools, better skills, better mindset. In 2 years, he was earning more online than at the diner. In 5, he was running a 6-figure business. Today, he owns companies, mentors others, and donates to the same shelters that once gave him a bed. So how did David do it? Here's what you can take from his journey. 1. Rock bottom is not the end, it's the beginning. To educate yourself every day, free resources are powerful. 3. Start small, stay consistent. Progress is progress. And 4. Mindset changes everything. Change your thoughts, change your life. David didn't get lucky, he got focused, disciplined, relentless, and that changed everything. If you're struggling right now, if you feel stuck, if life has knocked you down, just remember, so did his, but he didn't wait. He rose, step by step, inch by inch, and built the life he dreamed of. Like this video if David's story inspired you. Subscribe for more real stories that move you forward. And always remember, your current situation is not your final destination.